Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you guys know that in our last tutorial we had read about streams, how we can use read streams and write streams from fs.io, fs.io core module of Node.js. So today we'll talk about pipes. So how we can use pipes with streams. So let's say I have a file available in an AWS server and I want to save the same file in GoDaddy server. So what I will do in that case, in that scenario, I have to read that file using stream and I have to write that file by using streams as well. And in that scenario, we can read the file by using with the help of pipes, we can write the same file into the second place or second destination. So pipes is very pretty good example of reading and writing a files efficiently. So without performing any kind of operation, you can read the file and write it to specific destination. It's pretty easy. Let's move ahead and let's see how it will work. So let's say we had imported fs module. We have to create one readable stream from where we will read the file readable stream. We can say equals to fs dot create read stream, and the file from where we are reading our data is input.txt, and same as it is we will create a writable stream as well. Writable stream will be write, and here I can say it's output.txt. So this is only one line of code to pass the readable streams with the help of pipe towards a writable stream. So you can say like whatever you are reading, pipe it to write. Chunk by chunk, read data from input file and chunk by chunk paste it in the output file. So let's go ahead and try it out. Node app.js. Sorry, it will be pipe only. So let's go ahead and run it. See, node app.js, it's run and we have output file appear here, and the data from input file, we had read it, it came to output file as well. So this is pretty easier and very basic example of reading file from single source and paste it towards destination by using pipes. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon, inshallah, in next video. Goodbye.